Your TI-84 Evo does its trig in radians until you tell it otherwise. Here's how to switch to degree mode. The status bar at the top shows the mode, and radian mode is why sine of 30 came back negative. To fix it, press the mode key in the top row, right next to second. A few rows down, there's a line that reads radian, degree, gradient. Arrow over to degree. Press enter, and the status bar at the top switches to degree right away. Press clear to get back to the home screen. Run the same sine of 30 again, and this time you get 1/2, the answer you were expecting. Here's one last trick. Say you'd rather stay in radian mode, but one calculation needs to be done in degrees. Instead of switching modes, type sine of 30, then press second and the angle key to open the angle menu. Press enter to grab the degree symbol, then enter again to calculate. That little mark tells the calculator this number is degrees, so the answer comes out 0.5 even in radian mode. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.